We've got to move on.
So we're at shortcut verifier still.
Let's see, yes.
That's the last thing.
Is everybody at the, get the shortcut verifier? Okay. Luis, I need some confirmation, guys, so we can roll along here. Jimmy?
We're good.
Jimmy? You good? Are you at the shortcut verifier? We've got the roll.
Yep.
Close? Let's click that verify again and let's see what it's actually telling us. It says shortcut PLC note path to design device is assigned. Because we just assigned that shortcut when we click PLC and then we clicked over here on the PLC. We just assigned that shortcut when we click whatever we click apply. But it says warning, no path to the runtime device is assigned. Click close. Now we have a path set for our project, but we also have to set up a path, an online communications path for the PLC. It'll actually communicate to the HMI when it's running. So what we have to do, you see, let's click on this runtime target. You see there, there's no shortcuts, there's nothing in there, right? Now, click back on design. And we're going to copy that shortcut. Copy from design to runtime. It says, do you want to continue? It says, yes. Now click on the runtime, the target. Now we have the shortcut assigned to the runtime project. So when this thing's actually running, it'll be communicating behind the scenes. We don't care about that. Go ahead and click back on design. And this is key information because it won't work unless you do this. Click OK down at the bottom. That's something that the manuals don't tell you. It's something you got to bumble with. Believe me, it took a long time to figure that out. Okay, now you should have an indicator here. Go ahead and click on your select tool up here on the toolbar. And double click on that indicator. Double click on the indicator that says on. Double click. Does everybody have this dialog box? Multi-state indicator property. Let's click on the connections tab. And the tag column, click on the three little dots or whatever those are, three little plus signs. Now we've got to pull the tag out of the PLC for that indicator. Click refresh all folders. Because right now it's going out and it's grabbing all the tag data out of the PLC when we do that. Now we have another folder called PLC. That's the shortcut that we just made. Go ahead and expand that folder just to give you an idea of what's in there. Diagnostics, items, nothing. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff, I guess. We open the folder up. This is everything out of the PLC. Expand the online folder. So we have
anything in my oh yeah, never mind.
road. Did it unfreeze?
No, it's still frozen. break it, break your cable. There you go.
Well, then I have to pay for it. They're already taking off the register.
Okay, let's keep moving along here. So it's showing us everything that's in the PLC, but it's not showing us, go back to Studio 5000. Go to controller tags, and you see all the tags that have been created in this project, the controller tags, conveyor running, conveyor start, and so on. Now, just click on the PLC folder. Don't expand it, just click on the folder. Sorry. The online folder. Click on the online folder. And in the right-hand side, the tags in the right-hand side should be all the same tags that are in the product, that are in the controller tags. So if you pull up the controller tags, conveyor running PM, conveyor start, machine start, MCR on, part accept, and so on, part reject. And now we gotta grab that tag that we want for this indicator. We're gonna use this conveyor running pilot light tag. So click on the tag, you can double click, or click on the tag and click OK. And you should have seen that tag pop into that field. Everybody at that point? Okay, now we've assigned that tag to the indicator. Click apply and OK. All right. Now we have an indicator that tells us when this thing's running or when it's not running, on and off. Let's build a couple more screens. Right click on displays. In the project tree on the left, displays. Right click on displays and say new. And we're going to make this a level 2 screen. Go ahead and zoom in one time. What do level 2 screens do for us?
Machine, specifics or data.
Yeah.
A specific piece of equipment.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And we can also control, and there's some control in the level 2 screen. Where we can control it.
Click on this place.
New.
Yeah.
Let's grab the text box tool. Grab the text box tool. And go ahead and put a title on the screen. Let's name this conveyor control. Do level 2 screens give us control capabilities? We're going to turn it on and off?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Click apply, okay. And go ahead and grab the select tool again. and get your title centered up. And let's go ahead, we're gonna add some buttons to turn this thing on and off. In objects, the menu at the top, objects, push button, momentary, go ahead and make a button. This is going to be our start button. If you look at the button settings, we can make this button a normally open, a normally closed, or give it some kind of a value, right? We're going to leave it a normally open push button. Let's go to states, the states tab. State 0, the caption is going to be, what do you want, start? Start? Start. Do we want to leave it blue?
No.
No. What color do we need?
Green.
Yes. So go ahead and change it to green. The back color is green, border color is green. And then look at your caption, the font stuff down here. Make sure we're good with that. White right now. Are we good with that? All right. And go ahead and click on state 1. It's going to be start.
Stop.
It's gonna be stop?
No, it's going to be start. We're going to make 2 buttons.
Oh, okay.
Since this is a momentary,
Right.
it's only momentarily on. It's just like a start push button. So go ahead and make it green. Now, we still have to set up connections, but we don't have any HMI tags in the PLC to do that. So let's go ahead and click apply. We're going to create the tags here in just a minute. Click apply and OK. And let's grab another button. Actually, you should have the button tool
Yeah.
right now. Yeah, let's go ahead and make another button. This one's going to be stop.
Momentary.
Yep, momentary. In the state, or in the button action, let's make it normally closed. Because that's what a stop push button is. Make it normally closed. In the states, state 0 is going to be stop. What color, guys? Red. State 1, stop, also red. Go ahead, go ahead and click apply. Okay, now we haven't assigned any tags to these buttons yet, have we? We got to go back to our PLC program, so click on Studio, open up Studio 5000. You should still be online. Everybody's online, good. Go to controller tags, and then edit tags. Tab down at the bottom, edit tags. And we got to create some tags for these buttons. So the first tag, is everybody in controller tags right now? Yes? Okay. First tag, HMI space, start space PB. Make it a bold data type. The next tag, HMI stop PB. Make it a bold data type. should have two tags, HMI start PB, HMI stop PB. Now, we've got to put this in our logic. So let's open up, expand main program, and open up the main routine. And stay online with this thing, and just double click on the side of the run, so that you're in edit mode. And now we add in our logic. XIC instruction, and the branch around the start button for the HMI start PB, HMI stop PB,